about a traveler and musafir. If a person travels out of town for 6 to 9 months, then returns to his hometown for only 3 days for an official matter, he doesn't live in his own home, he is out of his comfort zone, would he be classed as a resident or a traveler in his hometown?
Khwani, the traveler, okay, is a controversial issue. And Ibn Taymiyyah, rahmatullah alayhi, he categorized it very cleverly and very good. He says that there's a person who is resident and he went out to a resident place, within the residential place. He's not a traveler. A person who is a resident and went to a journey place and he resided there, he is not a traveler. A person, he went to a journey place and he is not residing there, he's a traveler. But there's a fourth category here, which is the person, he had the circumstances of a journey, but yet he is not in a journey distance. Is he a traveler or not? That's the one we're talking about. So somebody who is, let's say, official governor or working for the government, and he has to leave his house and go to a hotel which is within his town, but he's not allowed to communicate because he is in his very delicate matter, and it is a closed sort of conference between him and the governors, and he is setting himself ready for that particular meeting like he's setting himself for a journey. So he's packing up his suitcase and he's packing up all things because he's going to live there. He can't go home, and he's a traveler. So Shaykh I'm saying he's a traveler. So based upon what is I'm just saying now, the question can be answered. So if he is this person, he had come from the traveling place, but he came to a place where he still carries with him the circumstances that he carried in the first place as a traveler, then he's a traveler still. Wallahu ta'ala alam. Yet there's a case where he is outside a journey place, he's not a traveler. Person who is, for example, hunting a rabbit or birds, and he's gone out of his town and he's hunting this bird and animal, and he couldn't find anything. He went for another mile. He's still not a journey, but kept following these animals until he crossed 50 miles. If he'd done from the beginning 50 miles, he would be a traveler. But he's going 1 mile after the other with the intention of not traveling. He's not a traveler. Yet he was in that distance, which is a traveling distance. Now, so basically it's to do with the circumstances that the traveler is in. That's what you are caring about. Now,
Jazakallahu khair, Ustad. This question is